Hello crafters, this is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with a video to talk about hard to find items that are in stock right now, available at one or two places, and that's pretty much it. Alrighty, let's get started. So first up, one of the most difficult things to find since COVID started is the Copic Marker Various Ink Refill. The Colorless Blender in this big bottle, which is, how much is this? I can't see. Oh boy. I'll put how many ounces are in this bottle here below on the video. I've had this bottle for as long as I've been coloring with Copics. So that's a long time, and then I had parked my Copics for many years. So this bottle, I always keep the little top, and ever since the pandemic, been hard to find. Oh, you can find it on eBay at $50. This bottle normally retails for about $13. But I did find a seller and I bought one, and it arrived yesterday. Here it is, my Copic Various Refill, packaged just like this because it does come with a stopper. That's why they were able to package it like this. And it came pretty much packaged well. So I got a refill bottle, $19.51, I think was the price, and $5 shipping. And that's a bargain, that's less than half. So if you are definitely in need of Copic Various Ink Colorless Blender Refill, this size, I will put the link below so you guys can get one for yourself before it sells out. The other option, this is the other option, because I had bought this. There was a time when the pandemic first hit that there was no real production of Copic stuff. And all of a sudden, when I pulled out my markers, I needed refills and everything, so I got one of these. This is $5.99. Look at this compared to this. Can you see the difference? And you can use your colorless blender with all your alcohol markers. So you can mix this with your Ohuhu in terms of using the colorless blender marker, the refill. Alrighty, so I think this is a great deal. Less than half, less than what it's going for now everywhere. Readily available until it runs out. And you could get two for what everybody else is selling it for. So Copic Colorless Blender, stock up on it, or at least get one bottle. Moving on, another item that's back in stock, the ink stand. My lovely ink stand at Honeybee Stamps, where you can use Afterpay, and if you spend a certain amount, free shipping as well. I have said it a few times that if you buy the inkstand from the inkstand webpage, that shipping is not cheap. it is like for real. So I got mine at Honeybee Stamps, and also at Honeybee Stamps. So they have the one for the mini distress ink. They also have the one for the full-size distress ink. And this one is for all ink cubes, actually. The ink cubes seem to have the standard 1-inch size, 1-inch square. And they also have this one in stock as well. And the bigger ones, they are magnetized, so they hold together. And then this one is particularly, like if I had to choose, if I could only do one, I would get this one. Because the Pinkfresh Studio inks and even some of my Altenew inks, and there's another brand too, I can't remember. They don't have names on the bottom of the ink pad. So if you mix up the tops, you will now have to be like, what is this again? So this comes in very handy for keeping your ink blending all ready to go, neat, and you won't mix up the covers. So that's back in stock. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Another thing at Honeybee that's back in stock, if you didn't watch my haul video, cone flour. Lovely Layers cone flour, back in stock. Some of you went and got your cone flour. As you can see, there's a purple cone flour, a coral cone flour, and a pink cone flour. I love the cone flour. This is back in stock. It's sold out, what, I think 2 or 3 times already. It's in stock now at Honeybee Stamps. I don't see it available anywhere else. Also from them, so cute though, so cute. Sunflower, and I just did a tutorial on this. Sunflower is still in stock, which is nice. So I did a tutorial making this one. I did this one on a card, and now I made this one. And it comes with the cute little leaf. So if you are in the mood for coneflower, sunflower, and the ink stand, especially for your cube inks, these are all there right now. And this is the die set for the sunflower. I will link the video tutorial above and at the end. Also, I guess this is the first in the Lovely Layers set. Last Christmas. Oh, it's like that song, Last Christmas. Okay, let me stop. Lovely Layer Pine Cone comes with this bow too. It's super cute. So Lovely Layer Pine Cone, and then we have Coneflower and now Sunflower. So these are all the 3 from Honeybee Stamps, and they're all in stock. This one is great for your Christmas projects. I think it's just beautiful and very easy to put together. I did a tutorial on this one, and now this one. So yeah, I have 3 tutorials. I'll link the tutorials below in the description, and I'll link these items too. Also, what else? Lastly, mini domed ink blending foam. If you've been looking for this sold out, and I'm not sure if it relisted everywhere, but I saw that it came back in stock. Scrapbook.com has it, so I will put a link for that. But the main purpose of this video is don't buy a bunch of this, get this. And can you refill your marker from this? Yes, you can. I already did. I did 1 filling. That's why it looks the way, it's not all the way up. I did 1 refill from here and 1 from here. Yes, this one, you know, it can spill out, but then just wipe up the barrel of the marker, but you can refill from this one. You don't have to have this. And maybe, let's see. Oh, look, probably can pop this out and pour this in here and use it. Yeah, and they also sell the empty barrel too for like $1 less. So it suits you to just get, you know, if you want to get both, but just very happy. This one here, very hard to find, and a lot of people are doing a lot of Copic coloring or just alcohol ink coloring. This is a nice size. Refill your colorless blender and also use it to clean your markers. Clean your markers, okay? Protect them so they last you as long as mine have lasted me. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video. Stay crafty, my friends. Go check out any of these goodies if you need it, especially this one. Because once this sells out, I don't think you're going to be seeing it for a while again. It had disappeared, came in, disappeared for a couple months, and then we're now near the end of 21, and now I see it, but it's not, at least it's not at $50. Alrighty, crafters, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.